slow down away by passing it through other media. And so through diamond...
the Cadillac died for that right turn lane.
Is that a fair statement?
Care about what is true in the sense
What
that...
is true?
Back up!
Right, okay, yeah.
What conforms to reality the best?
Really?
That's what is true, right?
The RF energy of the city.
Radio frequency.
Yes, the radio.
No turn on, Rod.
Doesn't make it into your...
No turn on, Red.
We actually had
But just to be
problems.
clear, heavier roofs require more structures to hold it up that would block your view.
Come on.
Potentially.
A light
Really?
roof, you don't have to hold up the roof.
Yeah, you can stand
The
further
guy didn't
away.
stop.
Further away. So that's what you meant.
One of the challenges we're actually having is that all of the RF energy of the city is penetrating
Oh, what the
into
hell?
the building now. So
And you don't want that.
Really quickly, man. It's now on stock packs for like 5 packs of price. Just $1,000. Yeah. So listeners,
Red light, Ron.
just go click link and get it now. I reckon
like us will be instead of me specifically, and so I was able to ask him like, hey, are you bisexual? And it turned out that this person
split skull in half like a number 15, you know, whatever fucking pound weight you ran into. So anyway, whoever that was, shout out to you. And then some poor woman, I guess maybe, you know, there was a casino.
Nice cut off.
That's how many times I've gone to a library, I can't even say the fucking word. That would take me out of the spelling bee. Library.
Exit dive.
L-I-E.
Did not move over. Round 2. Did not move over. Exit dive up there.
You
know I have never applauded a guest, Neil, but I'm
is
just,
true.
Did
I'm
not
just
stop
so
up there.
impressed with what
No, but you got to know your geology too, right?
You have to know, I mean...
No stop.
Yeah, it's kind of this interesting thing where you just got to learn to wear a lot of hats.
No stop.
And you don't necessarily...
Did not stop. Did not stop. It always happens here.
some kind of way of framing it I've ever heard.
I think too it's interesting to think about kind of like, I know we've all maybe got more or less the same impression that he did.
To Christy's original question, I think we need to be really careful with understanding where the label comes from
Red light
what
run.
it describes,
Way
right?
up there.
Like, you can't just label yourself a doctor.
Inside joke for secular sexuality viewers, because we have talked a lot on the show about different adjectives and how to know which ones suit us and how to find those adjectives.
No turn on red. It is 3:45 on a Friday. It's 4:57. What's the time on there? Yep, don't turn on red.
And then there's the smallest pool of them all. It's the things that humans do that are entirely
Did not
And
stop.
the one thing that Robert
You didn't stop. There's cars coming too.
He looks at the final tally and thinks, this can't be right.
Ran the
Isaac
stop
grabs
sign.
the phone and calls Bowden afternoons and lead into the 6 p.m. Sports Center.
Did not stop.
Now, what's the concept?
You ran through the stop sign.
It's where I went in to learn how to pretty much do stand-up and get better at stand-up and do it the right way and get more honest and all that stuff. Being around so many...
Show. Who wants to watch two guys yapping about sports? Wilbin glares at Kornheiser.
Red light
What are
run.
you talking about? It's a great idea. Yeah, that's pretty much Christianity in Britain. At the minute,
straight to left turn lane up there.
The Church of England, exceptionally kind of evidence out there for.
I didn't ask you to tell me. I asked a question. Is that sufficient evidence to conclude?
Oh, nice cutoff. Red light run. I'm gonna call that nope. Go. And waiting. And he did not stop.
Great to do that. I know she's pretty cute. I wish we could get along, but sometimes little things make you feel like
red light run.
Distrust your nature. Desire is the devil's calling card.
You
Set
didn't
up
stop.
For failure for their carnal crimes. Many of them are shamed by family and friends.
You didn't stop,
Guilted
Subaru.
Into penitence ritual.
For 8 years, and all of a sudden somebody takes that bag off your head, and somebody comes up and just pumps oxygen into you for a season, right?
Red light run.
Only goes so far. So Skipper's also putting serious money on the table. NBC's offering $350 million for the English and Spanish language rights. ESPN and its Spanish language ally Univision are offering $75 million. Sports Center. July 2012, the Fox lot, Los Angeles. A Fox Sports executive enters Eric Shanks' office, armed with a printout.
The cop did not stop. What a great example that you set for the rest of us. Say, baby, say, baby, you laid it out by my side. Say, baby, you got an exit dive with me. Say, baby, say, baby. Red light run. You didn't stop. What's her stop, man? Really, you don't see people coming? Red light run. Red light run.
That fracture, that kid's body is going to go in the fight or flight. Right? And so I'm
red light run.
Very slow. I want to be at a place. I want him to like us.
Did not stop.
And unwittingly.
Did not stop. Got two of them.
Of like the mission, right? Is focusing on these areas where these
did not stop.
Religious.
No, stop. I'm not. All right, let me give you just a second. I'm not saying that you are wrong because you're not.
You can go now. You can go now. Come on.
Be on the enemy's side. And then here's my favorite part of Mary's email.
No stop.
Rebuke.
No
She
stop.
said, please don't write back with your excuses and voice.
And people, you know what? I guess podcasting, this is all fucking scuttlebutt, right?
No
Top
stop.
names of the 1960s.
Because Prius.
Right, this is when I was born.
Actually, no, that's Honda Fit. Sorry. Didn't mean to get your hopes up. No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if this is Connecticut. No trailers in the left lane with your fancy snowmobiles in the left lane if we're in Connecticut, but we're not. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and do all that stuff. I will see you in the next video. Yay! Okay, bye.